In nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. Trees can be contorted, bent in weird ways, and they're still beautiful. Forget not that the earth delights to feel your bare feet and the winds long to play with your hair. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Heaven is under our feet as well as over our heads. To me, a lush carpet of pine needles or spongy grass is more welcome than the most luxurious Persian rug. We don't inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. I believe in God, only I spell at nature. Choose only one master, nature. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. There is something infinitely healing in the repeated refrains of nature, the assurance that dawn comes after night, and spring after winter. Leave the road, take the trails. Live in each season as it passes, breathe the air, drink the drink, taste the fruit, and resign yourself to the influence of the earth. I go to nature to be soothed and healed, and to have my senses put in order. For most of history, man has had to fight nature to survive. In this century he is beginning to realize that, in order to survive, he must protect it. There's a whole world out there, right outside your window. You'd be a fool to miss it. To forget how to dig the earth and to tend the soil is to forget ourselves. Preserve and cherish the pale blue dot, the only home we've ever known. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. The sun, with all those planets revolving around it and dependent on it, can still ripen a bunch of grapes as if it had nothing else in the universe to do. To make a prairie it takes a clover and one bee, one clover, and a bee, and reverie. The reverie alone will do, if bees are few. Men argue. Nature acts. All my life through, the new sights of nature made me rejoice like a child. Colors are the smiles of nature. Land really is the best art. Everything in nature invites us constantly to be what we are. The best thing one can do when it's raining is to let it rain. Many eyes go through the meadow, but few see the flowers in it. Spring is nature's way of saying, let's party. The earth has music for those who listen. There are always flowers for those who want to see them. The goal of life is to make your heartbeat match the beat of the universe, to match your nature with nature.